Good morning. We are winging our way into beautiful Sydney this morning. If you're just joining us, we've been over in Tokyo visiting the Disneyland Park and the Disney Sea Park. So if you haven't seen those vlogs, check them out, along with other vlogs around central Tokyo where we've been up to some fun adventures. But for today's vlog, come join us to see what we get up to with a 9-hour layover in Sydney. We have arrived in Sydney. So we've finished our trip in Tokyo and now we've got a 9-hour layover here in Sydney. And yeah, we're just going to get out and about, a bit delirious from the plane, and yeah, go and explore. Time to explore some of Sydney's sights. We've come undercover because it is raining. It's just started raining as we were walking down past the Japanese gardens along to Darling Harbour way, but you can see the central Sydney Tower in the background, and so we're trying to walk undercover the whole way. We'll see how we go. Okay, the mall we were going to go to, it's now going to be Harbourside Residence. So now we're just trying to keep out of the rain. Oh, we're just going to go and find a coffee house. Yeah, we've got a cookie and stuff with us too to have and dripped on. Yeah, things have changed quite a bit. This is quite funny actually. So you can see it a bit better here. Up there, just past this, there's like a little water feature, like just right here. Sort of a walk down, spiral down, water feature. You used to shoot across there straight into the mall, and that was the Darling Harbour Mall. But now it's going to be apartments. Very, very foggy looking out there today. You can barely see some of the towers. It doesn't look like much, but it's very fine rain that's coming down. Well, the weather today is wet, but it is actually mildly not too cold actually. It's we'll say mild. It's enough to have a light shirt on, and I've got my Disney top on and some long pants as well, just light pants. So yeah, not too chilly today, but hopefully it's meant to stop raining at about midday-ish, so hopefully it does, so we can actually have a bit of a walk around. But otherwise I think we're just going to go and try and find a coffee place. But this area seems to have changed quite a bit. It's under construction, I guess, but yeah, not as much of a vibe without the other shops and that there used to be around here. So we're here and we've gone, whoops, it's upside down. So we've come and got a sandwich at Soul Origin. We ended up in the main city area. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, it's really spicy. So we've got a panini here. And we're going to enjoy these. It's still raining outside, so hopefully the rain's going to be done when we're finished. We've wandered our way down through central Sydney. We did stop and get like a chicken snit sandwich for lunch. It was so busy down in that food court though, and it wasn't the best sandwich, and it said it was spicy, and usually spicy means a little bit of spice, but this was very, very spicy. So yeah, we came down to Circular Quay and I've got a pistachio ice cream. We'll try some of that. It's from Copenhagen. Oh, that's nice. It's going to bring down some of the heat in the tummy. And we've got a nice view over of the Sydney Harbour Bridge. There's quite a lot of nuts in this too, pistachios, so looks really good and it's tasty. And I think we're just going to have a little bit of a wander, probably walk around there maybe. And then I think we're just going to do the loop and head back to the airport probably. Getting some delicious food. we've just come across a rainbow lorikeet. Getting some nectar. Yeah, some good food. Yeah, that was pretty special seeing you. Oh, another bird just went by. Oh well, we better keep walking. At least the rain stopped now. Yep, the rain has completely stopped now, so that's good. Good for our walk back to the airport, Sydney International. We've got Central Station here, but we're continuing walking. We're starting to get a bit breezy here. We've got about an hour and a bit walk up to Sydney Airport. Yeah, that plane's quite low, isn't it?
Is that R1?
Maybe. Well, we're off to Ikea now. We're almost at the airport, but we're going to stop for a refreshment break. Well, we've just got to Ikea.
I didn't know we're doing video. Oops.
And we have got some refreshing drinks. They're unlimited, so for $2, so we'll get our money's worth of those. What have you got? What's your one? What?
I don't remember.
Iced tea, it looks like.
Iced tea.
I've got lingonberry. Then we got some, this is a different cake. It's a new one since we were at Ikea last. Forgot what it's called, but it's like a chocolatey cake. And then you've got one of your warm cinnamon scrolls, so you should eat soon, so it doesn't get too hard. Yeah. Nice and soft now. We've still got a little bit of a walk to go to the airport. But yeah, that's been good. But our feet are a bit tired now, so we're just having a bit of a rest. But we've still got a few hours before we're going to be at the airport, so it's good. So we're going to enjoy this now. There's a plane coming in. And look at that view out to the city as well. That's really cool. Oh, that was very delicious. It was like a coffee cake. Very tasty.
After 10 hours of walking, we just got to the airport.
We've made it. It's quite windy now. There we go. There's the airport. We've got plenty of time before our flight. Oh, I wonder what we're going to get on the later. I'm not hungry, but I wonder what we're going to get fed on the plane later. I hope it's something yummy. Oh, I think I'll be looking for a nice sit down when we get through security and customs and just have a nice rest, I think. Well, that's our flight there to Christchurch. Kenny's just checking out where our bag is.
See if it's made it towards our gate.
Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed spending the day with us and sharing our experiences of travelling around, walking around Sydney and what we got up to today. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this, and yeah, we'll see where we're off to next.
All right.
Have a good one. Bye.